This is raw salt. This is Tanzania. It actually looks like a fish pond, but this is where they mine salt.
Yes.
After extracting it, it comes into this pond,
Okay.
and there is a way they do it before they could extract the salt. Let's go. He's gonna show us.
Like a vegetable is coming.
Really? The soil, he said the salt grows like a vegetable.
Yes, 1 week, this water is coming like a small stone.
Wow. It becomes very hard. You did not taste it?
Yeah? Yes.
Sorry. Oh. No, you don't want to taste everything. Just taste your finger. No. Taste your finger. You put it in his mouth? Wow, this is salt, guys.
Yeah, so special company is very good business.
This is salt too.
Yes.
See, guys, this is the salt here. Hey, what's up, everyone? How you doing? Today is a beautiful day in Tanzania. We were passing by yesterday and we saw a place where they mine raw salt, and we decided to check around and we came here. Fortunately for us, we met Mr. Ali, and Mr. Ali understood English, he speaks English well. So he will be the one to tour us around and show us how it's done, how they actually mine it, and what they do with this. This is raw salt. This is Tanzania. I told you, I'm bringing you awesome content. I've actually seen this once in Ghana, but during that time I was unable to document it. And thank God, I'm seeing it again. And on seeing this, I was just passing by and I saw, and I'm like, oh, this time around I must document this for you guys. Mr. Ali is gonna walk us around and show us how it's done. It actually looks like a fish pond, but this is where they mine salt. You said what?
Yeah, that mangrove area.
Mangrove area.
Yes, that's to make a fish.
Fish. Oh, what kind of fish?
Like this area is near to the sea.
Yes. So it's a fish that can withstand the salt,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Not like catfish.
Yeah.
Catfish dies instantly. Can you tell us how they extract this salt?
This area, before it was a long time, so the salty farm.
Okay.
Oh, this area, it was the salty
It
farm.
was salt farm. Wow.
Before, long time ago.
Wow.
And then another company came this area, long time ago. It was a salt farm. There's some old man was managing this area salt, local salt. But many years came, some company from the site came here to bought this area, land from that old man. The company is changing to plan, see, from salt and it to make the development like a other business. From there to there, they want to make a fish pond. Fish pond. That mangrove area. This area without the mangrove, they have some plan to make a more, and the other.
Oh,
Yes.
a more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, make a more, and the other things. This is near to the road because there is no mangrove. That area, mangrove area, they make a fish pond. In this area, they want to make a other plan. Like a restaurant, more like that, because near to the road and the beach area.
What is inside the bag here? That white.
That's a big one. That's another plot. After that area, other side there are some houses, a lot of houses there.
No, I mean this thing. That's white
So
bag.
that is salt. So, and then now these people make salt. They make a salt like a local salt. It's not the official, because the company is changing from salt farm to the commercial, something like that.
Okay, they want to turn the salt farm to the commercial.
Other thing.
But the salt they extract here is a local one, right? You call that a local one, which is the raw salt. Do they sell it to some company to manufacture it? And
yes, people that came to buy, because these people, they make a log. They bought that, and then people that came to buy, to take to the factory, and then to
the salt we use at home, the refined one.
This guy, they make like a local.
Like how much?
But in nature, natural salt, because this water is coming from the sea.
Yes.
When they came the way from there, they put like this, you see?
Okay.
They keep there, and then they make a salt. Come see.
Oh, yeah.
Make this salty, they make it very, very fun.
He wants to show us how they make it.
Okay.
He said they extract the seawater.
Yes.
After extracting it, it comes into this pond.
Okay.
And there is a way they do it before they could extract the salt. Let's go. He's going to show us. He said it's funny.
Yeah, very fun. But this is all the seawater. There are two ways, you know. Some seawater is coming from there.
From over there.
They see over there. The mangroves over there.
Okay.
So the way.
The channel is right here.
Coming like a canal from there. When water is coming, these people taking a water pump to take water to put in there, this area, and then after that they took something like okay. Face coming water like this.
Okay.
No more water.
Like this. The water is always like this at first.
They coming like when sun is coming to be hot, the water is coming to some point to be hot.
Ah, it becomes hard.
Yes.
Like a rock, like a stone.
Like here. See?
Okay.
It's coming like this.
Okay, it becomes hard like this.
Yes, it's hard like this. After like this, and then they take another water.
Okay.
Hot water.
Hot water.
To put here. And then this salt is growing like a vegetable. It's coming.
Really? The salt, he said the salt grows like a vegetable.
Yes, you see?
Can we see any salt?
Salt is coming like this. You see that? Like this.
Okay.
And then they take another water from hot water. The water they take is like there's some point, maybe 5, 20, 10, 20, till 20 people when you need it, you see this water and put it there, salt is coming. They put it here.
Can this salt finish?
Now not yet.
Okay.
This is starting, and then they put another water here, like maybe like one, and then they took something to shake this water. When you to shake that water, is hot is still coming high.
Oh, when it's
And then
the
after
sun as well.
1 week, this water is coming like a small stone.
Wow.
Day after day, it's growing. Day after day.
So
It's
the
growing.
process
Yeah.
can be like how many weeks?
Maybe like 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Wow.
When hot to be
When the sun is so hot, the temperature is
2.5,
always about the temperature.
4 days.
Wow.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, that's what they use in taking the water from the sea.
Yes. The water pump. The water pump take water from there to here. Take it.
Wow. Yes.
You see? Have you seen like this? This is what is starting.
This all starting.
This
wow.
water?
Come and see here.
Yes.
Wow.
Put the finger.
Okay. You said you should put
the
your
finger
finger there. Okay.
You see?
Wow.
You see?
Wow. Look
It's
at this. This is salt,
yes,
man.
This is growing. After 2 weeks, when it come, you see very.
Wow. After
Yeah.
2 weeks,
Yes.
it becomes very hard.
Yes, from
Wow. Oh.
it's starting like that.
You did not test it.
Yeah? Yes.
Sorry. Oh. Oh.
Guys, this is the salt.
No, you don't want to test everything. Just test your finger.
Okay.
It's so sharp.
Try this.
No. Test your finger. It's the current. If I go and text it. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Did you put it in his mouth? Wow, this is salt, guys.
Yes.
Check this. Look at the color.
It's so thick.
What?
Powder salt.
Okay.
They know how to make yours.
Wow.
If they want to take out like a powder, they don't put to be very hard. Maybe after 1.5 weeks, They bring it. Yes.
Look at that guy. I think he wants to pump the water.
Water from.
He wants to get water from the sea.
Yes, before the old man when they make like it was farm that time. It was a big farm.
Yeah.
It is especially farm for salt.
Wow, look at this. This is formed already.
Yes.
Whoa, it's bagged. Oh, it's bagged.
Yes.
This bag now,
Yes.
how much does this cost for one?
It's going to this bag is going to buy because if you get a salt, very difficult for people to come to take like a open. They're going to buy
Small.
this a bag. They buy for other.
Oh, like how much?
How much? How many
kilogram?
Tanzania
shillings
shillings.
in one bag?
This one bag.
Yeah.
Oh, this lock is very like 7,000.
7,000 shillings.
5,000 sometimes. Oh, so special company is very good business.
Do you know Dangote?
Dangote, yes.
Dangote makes.
You have Dangote here?
I know Dangote. Dangote have some factory of cement factory in Mtwara.
In Twelve.
In
Yes, I
Mtwara.
know. There are some company making salt, but local people like this because they make it very small, and they sell small people for very cheap. You get
Yeah, you can break it, man. Wow. Those are heaps of salt right there, you see? Those things, man. Let's go check that one out. This is salt too.
yes.
Okay, it's growing now. Wow. Why is that place black?
That is some. This area is not good for
Oh,
the green.
oh, the area, that area is
2
not
weeks, maybe it's coming like
okay. Okay. So that side is not really good for the salt. So he said maybe after 2 weeks, after adding some fresh waters, it becomes pure like that. My concern right now is that after building more here, a lot of people who are trying to harvest salt here are going to lose their job. But he told me most people here work for the same company that want to build more. So this country is developing at a rapid rate, and we can see all the big malls, right? Those are big malls, and oh, that's the salt is over there. We can see heap of salt over there. So we want to go check it out, and they've bagged some. We have one there. So let's go check.
How long does it take to pack it in the bag?
even 1 week. 1 week. Depend when you get this food.
They back it. So if there is no rain, it's good.
Yes. When the rain comes also, it will come like water.
Oh, it's washed away like water. So when it washes away like water, it's not good for business.
Because this way, only for 3 months now.
3 months
Only 3 months. Like
to process the salt.
yes, because this salt problem they need
The sun. So you can only do it during dry season. No salt.
even without the sun, even the normal season, like a no sun.
So now
No
I have
salt.
a question.
Wow.
During rainy season, the salt get expensive. During dry season,
It's cheap. Wow.
Yes, like a sun. Even now,
so that bag that is sold for 7,000 during
up
rainy
to
season,
for here because this is the local and then it's too small because people they don't work like here. You see,
Wow.
but there are other area.
They work so
especially
hard.
people, when I'm starting to do other project, they can move.
So now this salt here, now it's been sold for 5,000 during dry season.
Yeah.
Then during rainy season, it can be like 15,000, 10,000.
Yes, of course. When it's expensive because when the rain is coming, you cannot make
So
it.
is it advisable to keep the salt till rainy season?
It depends if you have some area to.
Area to keep it.
They're looking this land.
Okay.
They're working to the company to see, not especially to make a salt. Now they're looking to see this to get this land.
Oh wow.
So they say that without it to stay like that, they do this to get at least small money for food. You see, but not especially for
this purpose.
Yeah, that
This
is-
land is not meant for
Yeah,
salt
that
purpose.
is before. That is why they do like small.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
When the rain is coming, say even
The season is
6
over for
months,
salt.
it's very.
All right.
Even now, when the owner they come to project is starting, they cannot make a
Salt.
this guy. They take another job from that company. They get a big job and the job for every day. They know every month they get a salary something because when a company starting building here, maybe like a factory like a more maybe restaurant like that. All guys they get
They benefit from
a
it.
job, a big job, and every month get a salary. And
Yeah, so that's a prayer for the company to
yes,
come.
and they're waiting to that project to come. So when you're waiting for project to come,
They employ
they
them.
do this here for they're telling the owner of this area, okay, let me do something. When it's starting, so
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, so hard.
Why is it so hard?
yes.
This is the salt?
Yes.
This is the salt. Wow. Guys, check this out. This is salt.
One is dried already. Can you see? It looks like, I don't know what I can call it. It's so dry.
Like stone, right?
Yes, like stone. Are they still gonna grind this like to make it softer?
No, I think the
Yes.
factory will do that.
The factory.
Yeah, to make a
to make it smooth.
Yes.
Wow. See guys, this is the salt here. Wow. And this is ready to be packed inside the bag. Nice. So what is that over there? Let's go. Can we go there? They cook salt?
fish, no.
Oh, fish.
small fish. I'm cooking the
Okay, they get fish here and
Oh, this is for fish.
they dry the fish
Not
here.
for salt.
yeah.
Let's go.
Cooking there, cooking that, and then there.
So this sound now,
This is the cream from there. No, this is for fish.
the fish as well.
I take it to the chicken for food.
Chicken eats it.
From the fish cooking.
Oh, okay.
There's another salt here now.
Yeah, yes.
Yet to be harvested.
Maybe this will be ready in one
The
month.
same like that. You get one word, come like this.
Nice.
Wow, it's even hard to take, man. This is how they make salt. And you can see this is raw salt. Raw salt. You can see how it is. When you just take it out of the water, this is how it is before you take it to the factory to process it and then turn it to what we eat in the kitchen. But before then, this is
Raw salt.
raw salt. Okay. Like a crystal.